Hello friends, I'm Rohit Tiwari and every day I'm giving mock test. So let me show you how I'm scoring in these mock tests of Practice Mocks website. So already I have given 9 to 10 tests. So let me show you the first one, that is free test. I think most of the aspirants have attempted from this. So let's see how I scored. You can see here as I scored 55 marks and my rank is 1670 out of 51,000 almost, and my percentile is 96.75. So I think this mock was quite easy, but in the second mock the figure is dwindling, as you can let me show you that one also. Here is prelims test first, where I could not maintain that much percentile, but yeah, my score is little bit better, though this test is also very easy in comparison to previous one, and percentile is also good, 93.26, and the rank 1675 out of almost 24,000 people. So coming to the next mock, the mock number prelims 2. So it is 85 percentile and 3126 rank out of almost 21,000 candidates, and I scored 54.75 marks out of 100, and it is not better than that the first free mock test, but still it is good. But let me show you the next one. Actually, I want to conclude certain aspect of giving mocks every day, how actually it impacts your level of preparation, and how it really impacts your scoring. So let's come to third mock. Now you can see here the score is 60.25, almost above all previous mocks, but still the percentile is not up to the mark. It is 83.23 and rank is 2971 out of 17,000 almost candidates. So the thing is that friends, if the test is of easy level, then if you attempt even more than that free test also, you are unable to score that much percentile. So let's not worry about that, and let's see some other mock also. Like in mock number 4 I scored 56.5 and rank is very low, and again percentile is also very low. It's like score is continuously downgrading, and prelims 5, let me show you. In pre 5 score is 47, percentile is 85, again it is plummeted. So now pre 6 55.5 and rank is, now here rank is a little bit improved, but a very few candidates attempted this mock. That's okay, that's not an issue, but my percentile is good here, 94.43, and score is also good. However, when I observed all questions, I realized there was a great possibility of attempting more questions with a great accuracy and scoring almost 70 marks. So I could not say that this is a very good score, but out of these candidates, definitely it's a good rank. So the mock number 6 was good, and I really scored uh, somewhat good. And now as you can see in mock 7, again the same thing happened, not a good score. So let's see the mock 8. Here I scored 54.5 and percentile 83. Again, not up to the mark, as I was expecting more than the free test. And coming to 9th, it is very worst. I cannot say, but in English portion, I really scored well. You can see here, but even in English also, it is not good. I think this was a very difficult test, and I could not appeal my school to attempt really well with accuracy. That's what I lost this. But okay, let me see the 10th one. Again, it's not a good marks, not a good rank, not a good percentile at all. So if this way I'm going to attempt in the exam, definitely it is destined to lose. But you can see here in the English language, I attempted very seriously and scored 23 out of 30, and my percentile is, you can see, 97.13 percentile, which is really up to the mark, because the rank is also good here. You may see the rank is 199 out of 6,895 candidates. So, okay, I attempted well this English language, but I could not attempt enough in other sections. So the thing is that, friends, sometimes I could not apply the right strategy that I think I will do. So first of all, before giving any mock, we should be very clear about our strategy. Otherwise, we cannot score really well. So, hope it will help you in some way. It will motivate you to give some more mocks also. So, you people also can send your mock test results, your scores, and let's do some more mocks, friends.